what's your advice to a lawyer or like a just starting out law firm owner who is attending the event for the first time?
For the solo small firm attorney, where you're able to pivot a heck of a lot easier, to move like your little ship versus a big giant Titanic. Like if you're a big law firm, like you're going to go here and you're going to be able to sign up for some demos or even do some live demos and see like, hey, can this technology help me improve my law practice? Whether it's getting clients, whether it's serving clients, whether it's, the non-legal stuff that's part of running a law firm. That's why I think even if you are at a bigger law firm, you could still get value from going to Tech Show to see, hey, like if I'm a managing partner or if I'm on one of these committees for some practice group, you might be able to find a piece of technology that you might be able to leverage for that practice group, right? So, and in this generative AI world that we live in, you're going to see some of the most cutting edge stuff. I know we did last year at Tech Show, and I think we're going to continue to see that sort of technology really highlighted. It's like, where do I go? Like, how do I discover this new Gen AI stuff? Go to Tech Show, and you're gonna find some of the most innovative ways that it's being used.
Yeah, I think that's all really excellent advice. If you're a first time attendee, the feedback that we received a lot was it can be overwhelming. And I know that the board has a bunch of features built into the show to try to make the onboarding a little more smooth if it's your first time. So attend the orientation sessions, get familiar with the exhibitor floor map and the sessions and start planning. And there's an app too. So start planning your time. Because one of the things very common that happens is like it's a multi-track show. So you might have to prioritize a certain session over another. And so knowing in advance which ones you're going to attend, it will help make that a little bit easier for you. I think the other thing is if you're going with a friend or you've got somebody else, like because they don't record the show, you might be like, hey, I'm going to this session. Can you cover this session? Compare notes and get to know the faculty. I think that's the thing. The faculty's there. They want to get to know you. They want to hear from you. They want to solve your specific problems. And I think, again, that face-to-face meet with the faculty, the face-to-face meet with the legal tech vendors, with the consulting folks, establishing that relationship at Tech Show, and then, getting their email, getting their contact information, and then taking that connection to LinkedIn, taking that connection to email, subscribing to the content that they're putting out. It's a great way to really make like that, those people, those voices that you hear more human because you actually, you've met them now in real life. And I think that there's more value added that way because they're going to remember you too. And it's like, oh, hey, when a question pops up, maybe you can field it, or maybe you see each other at another show. Maybe there's a referral relationship that can establish business referral relationship. So the meeting the people, that's the thing I would optimize for, is to try to be very mindful and intentional about meeting a lot more people based on, what you're there, whether it's to learn about practice management or learn about marketing or learning about some of these cutting edge technologies.